quick fix that works for many. This resets input focus and can stop the dialogue from skipping automatically. Many players report this stops the glitch temporarily. Open quote, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then press Escape to return to the game. Close quote. Advanced fixes and workarounds. 1. Check your input devices. Unplug any controllers, extra mice, or keyboards. Some background input devices, especially gamepads or touchscreen overlays, can spam confirm actions. 2. Disable Steam input if using Steam. Go to Steam Library, right-click Titan Quest 2, Properties. Under Controller, set Use Default Settings or disable Steam input entirely. This prevents Steam from overriding input settings and causing auto-skips. 3. Cap frame rate. If too high, overly high frame rates can break dialogue timing. Go into your graphic settings and enable VSync. Cap your FPS to 60. 4. Check for stuck keys. Tap the Enter, Space, E, or controller's A button repeatedly, then stop. A stuck confirm button can cause auto skips. 5. Verify game files. Steam, right-click the game, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Epic Games, click the 3 dots next to the game, Manage, Verify Files. 6. Disable background apps, especially input-related tools like Razer Synapse, Logitech G Hub, DS4 Windows, Xpatter. These can cause input conflicts. Awaiting patch? This issue may require a patch from the developers. Keep your game updated. Follow Titan Quest Discord. Please open your app to see this link. THQ Nordic's Twitter. Please open your app to see this link. Pro tip, you can pause during dialogues by opening the menu or using the game's screenshot feature, F12 on Steam, to save lines for reading later.